Welcome to the Rheidon app, designed for smarter, easier charging. Register. Enter email. Create and confirm your password. Check your email and enter the verification code. Done. Your account is ready. Tap Add Device. Follow the prompts to connect. Now your charger is linked. Here's the main page. Real-time charging status, energy usage, and quick settings at a glance. First, connect your charger to the EV. Once the connection is established, you can choose from 4 charging modes. Eco helps optimize for greener, lower-cost charging. Plug Now starts charging instantly. Max delivers full power for the fastest result. Manual lets you set the charging current and schedule the start time. Grant or remove access for other users. Keep your charger secure and flexible. View past sessions, check energy used, and monitor costs. That's the Rheidon app. Rheidon Tech, better charging experience.